Okay, we're going to do the same thing again that we had before. Set up your sine, so we've got sine theta is going to be equal to 2 square root 5 over 5. Again, we've got our opposite, we've got our hypotenuse, so that we know that this is going to be 5, and this is going to be 2 square root of 5. Okay, so square it, we get 25 over here. That's going to end up being 4 times 5, so we end up with 20 over here. So this is 5 square root of 5. Okay. So now that we've got that all squared away, we're able to go and figure out what we need to do for the rest of this stuff. So we got cosine, or actually, no, we got secant here. Secant is the inverse of cosine. So if we can find out what cosine is going to be, cosine of theta is then going to be equal to, where did that go? It is going to be equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Again, there's our theta. So we've got square root of 5 over 5. But now, of course, the secant is reciprocal of that. So we got secant is equal to 5 over square root 5. So we're going to have to go through and get this squared away. So this is going to end up being 5 over here, square root 5 here, square root 5 over here. So we end up with 5 square root 5 over 5. Those cancel out, so we end up with square root of 5. Again, always go back, try and use the right triangle system here to go and figure out what your sides are going to be, and then only go back and use the unit circle if you need to determine if you've got a positive or a negative going on.